Lesson 6 Pointillism. This video will cover pointillism. You can watch video once before painting and pause to read instructions as needed. Tap your paper to an artboard to secure it in place. Apply pale yellow to paint the ground, starting from the bottom and moving your way up. Use sky blue and repeat the previous process to create the sky. Use the tip of the brush to paint in dots to create the tree crown. Layer the colors from light to dark and create a sense of shading. Add some titanium white to create a sense of layering. Then, paint the trunk with blunt umber. Add a little titanium white to blunt umber, to add layering sense to the tree trunk. Paint shadow of the tree trunk before we finish.